Creating a sign-up form on Klaviyo for Shopify has actually never been easier. I'm going to take you through the very simple steps of doing so. So let's check it out. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is jump into Klaviyo, and on the left hand side you'll see sign up forms, and we're going to go into sign up forms, and here I'm just going to remove this one, but you are going to go up to the top right hand side and you're going to click on create form. Now from here you will be able to create a form of your choice. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this template, and it says limited time sale. That's fine, and I'm just going to remove that teaser. I'm going to now click on create form. Now this is where you'll be able to actually customize the form with all of your details. So once you're in here on the left hand side, you can change the style of your form from absolutely everything visually that you can see here. You can change all of that. You can also go now to the targeting and behavior, so you can choose when this actually gets displayed. So you can say based on rules or on a custom trigger. So you can say after a time delay, and you can say 3 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever the case may be. And you can also change the frequency. You can go back here and you can then add elements in over here, all right, in the add blocks. Now, once you're done, you're going to go over to the right hand side and you'll see publish. This is where you will actually publish your sign up form. So let's click on publish, and it'll take a few seconds. And now it says publish changes, which means that it is published. And over here you'll see just to the left it says live, and that is an indication that it's live. Now let's go back. Let's go exit over here on the top right, and we go back to our sign up forms. Now there's a few things that you need to set up before you actually create a sign up form. So let's go, first of all, over here it says add forms to website. Here you will see this is where your forms will be displayed. So what you need to do is go into Shopify, come down to add apps. There's two things that you need to do. You need to go to Klaviyo email marketing. You need to install that. Now, if you can't find it here, you're going to go to the Shopify app store. Once this Shopify app store is opened, you can type in Klaviyo, and it will be the Klaviyo email marketing and SMS. You're going to click on that, and you will now have to install it. Okay, mine is installed. It says open because it's already installed. And from here, what you need to do is go back to this Shopify homepage, and under sales channels you're going to go to online store. Click on that, and it should be by default on themes. And from here, when this page loads, you're going to scroll just to this middle section. It says customize. Let's click on customize, and the instructions are actually given here on this Klaviyo page. It says you need to install the Klaviyo on-site JavaScript. Now, once you install the Klaviyo app on your Shopify app store, you will be able to see this when you go into your store. You're going to go down here to app embeds. And over here, this Klaviyo on-site JavaScript, this needs to be enabled. As you can see here, it's enabled. And you're going to click on save on the top right-hand side. Now, once this is complete, you can now exit. You can now go into your homepage again, where it says online store. Click on the little eyeball icon, and this is what your store will look like. And you're going to copy this URL. You can click there, make sure it's highlighted. Control C to copy, and we're going to go back to this page here, and over here just make sure that that is erased, and you are going to add in that URL. Now this is a very important thing. If your URL currently says HTTP without the S, you need to add that S in there. There it is. Click on check forms installation. Over here it'll say sign up forms are successfully installed on your site. You're going to go up, hit the X, and this form and every other form that you create will now be active on this URL over here. Okay, so if you want to go this URL over here, so if you refresh your page, it may take some time for it to actually show up, but once you start navigating, or once you have gone past the time delay for that pop-up form to appear, it will appear right over here. And that's how you can successfully link your Klaviyo as well as your Shopify store and have your sign-up forms appear on your Shopify store.